Hello and welcome dear students. We will continue problems on the same factorization method. So first problem, evaluate limit as y tends to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 minus 8y cube divided by y minus 4y cube. See your solution. So it is equal to limit as y tends to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 minus 8y cube can be written 2y cube, and from denominator we can take y as common in bracket 1 minus 4y square. So it is equal to limit as y tends to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 minus 2y cube divided by y. Again we can write 1 minus 4y square, we can write 2y square. Then we apply a cube minus b cube formula and a square minus b square formula. So continue, it is equal to limit as y tends to 1 by 2 in bracket, apply here formula a cube minus b cube. See here, this 1 means we can write 1 cube and this 1 means we can write 1 square. So in numerator we apply a cube minus b cube, in denominator we apply a square minus b square formula. So you know expansion of a cube minus b cube, first bracket a minus b, that is a means 1, b means 2y. Second bracket a square means 1 square plus a into b, here a means 1 and b means 2y plus b square, that is 2y square, divided by y, apply a square minus b square, 1 minus 2y, second bracket 1 plus 2y, bracket close. So it is equal to limit as y tends to 1 by 2 in bracket, see here same bracket 1 minus 2y cancel here, and we get 1 plus 2y plus 2y square means 4y square divided by y, 1 minus 2y cancel into 1 plus 2y. After cancelling common factor we can take the limit. Now take the limit, replace y by 1 by 2. So 1 constant plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2 square divided by y means 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. So it is equal to, simplify, 1 plus 2 cancel, we get 1 plus 1 by 2 square means 4, 1 by 4 and this 4 cancel, we get 1 here. In denominator 1 by 2 in bracket 1 plus 2 to cancel, we get 1 here. So it is equal to addition 1 plus 1 3 times, that is 3, 1 by 2 in bracket addition is 2, and here 2 to cancel and we get 3. So 3 is the limit of this problem. Continue second problem, evaluate limit as x tends to 1 in bracket x minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So first we have to simplify. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1. Here first term x minus 2 divided by, see here from denominator we can take common x in bracket x minus 1 minus 1 divided by, also see here we can take x common from denominator. So in bracket x square minus 3x plus 2. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1 in bracket x minus 2 divided by x into x minus 1 minus 1 divided by x. We can factorize this quadratic expression. Factors are x minus 2, x minus 1. minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Then we take LCM, so it is equal to limit as x tends to 1. LCM means least common multiple. Take common factor for once, we get here x into x minus 1 and then x minus 2. Note that here a repeated factor taken for once. Then see here how to write numerator. We divide by this denominator to this denominator, to this LCM. So x cancel, x minus 1 cancel, and we get x minus 2. So this is x minus 2 and this x minus 2, we get here x minus 2 square minus. See here x cancel, x minus 2 cancel, x minus 1 cancel, we get 1, and 1 into 1, that is 1, that is numerator. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, right expansion x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x, x minus 1, x minus 2. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, x square minus 4x, 4 minus 1, we get 3 here, denominator same, x minus 1, x minus 2. Again we factorize numerator. So limit as x tends to 1, here factors are x minus 3, x minus 1, that is minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Denominator same, x into x minus 1, x minus 2, and we get here common factor x minus 1, that is cancel. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, we get x minus 3 in numerator and denominator is x into x minus 2, and now we can take the limit. Now replace x by 1, so we get 1 minus 3 divided by 1 in bracket 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 2 we get minus 1, minus minus plus sign here and we get 2. So 2 is the answer, 2 is the limit. Continue. Next number, evaluate. Limit as x tends to 1 in bracket x plus 2 divided by x square minus 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 divided by 3 in bracket x square minus 3x plus 2. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, x plus 2 divided by, denominator is quadratic expression, factorize, factors are x minus 4, x minus 1 plus x minus 4 divided by 3, again factorize this, factors are x minus 2, x minus 1. Then we take LCM, so it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, here LCM is write 3 constant first, then take factor x minus 1, note that here take a repeated factor for once only, then x minus 2 and then x minus 4. Then see here how to write numerator. This is shortcut method, use this, divide this LCM by this denominator. So see here x minus 4 cancel, x minus 1 cancel, so we get 3 into x minus 2. So 3 into this numerator x plus 2 and into this factor x minus 2. Plus sign, see here 3 cancel, x minus 2 cancel, x minus 1 cancel, only x minus 4 left. So this x minus 4 and this x minus 4, x minus 4 square. Simplify this. Limit as x tends to 1 in bracket 3, apply formula a plus b into a minus b, that is x square minus 2 square, 2 square means 4, plus apply a minus b whole square, x square minus 8x plus 16 divided by 3 into x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 4. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, multiply by 3, so 3x square minus 3 into 4 12 plus x square minus 8x plus 16 divide by denominator same 3 into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 4. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1 in bracket 3x square plus x square, we get here 4x square, then minus 8x, then plus 16 minus 12, that is plus 4. Denominator again same 3 into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 4. Again we get quadratic expression in numerator, so I have to factorize that. Here coefficient is 4, last term is 4, so 4 into 4 16. We have to factorize 16 such that their sum is minus 8. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1, we can write here 4x square minus 4x minus 4x, minus 4 into minus 4 16 and plus 4 as it is. Denominator same 3 x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 4. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1 in bracket, from first two terms we take 4x common here in bracket x minus 1, from last two terms we take minus 4 common in bracket x minus plus minus sign here, we get 1. Denominator same 3 into x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 4. So it is equal to limit as x tends to 1. From numerator we can take x minus 1 as common, second bracket 4x minus 4. Denominator same 3 x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 4. So we get here common factor x minus 1, that is x minus 1 x minus cancel here, and we get limit as x tends to 1 in bracket, again we can take 4 common from this bracket, 4 in bracket x minus 1, denominator 3 into x minus 2 x minus 4. Now there is no common factor, so now take the limit 4 constant, replace x by 1, so we get 1 minus 1 divided by 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 4. So we get 4 1 minus 1 0 divided by 3 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 4 minus 3, and we get here 4 into 0 is 0, 0 divided by minus into minus plus sign, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 3 9, 0 divided by 9, and 0 divided by any number, that is 0. So 0 is the answer, 0 is the limit. Continue next problem. We have limit as x tends to a in bracket 1 divided by x square minus 3ax plus 2a square plus 1 divided by 2x square minus 3ax plus a square. In denominator there are quadratic expressions, so we have to factorize that. So given problem equal to limit as x tends to a in bracket 1 divided by, factorize 2a square such that their sum is minus 3a. So your factors are x minus 2a x minus a plus 1 divided by, so your coefficient is 2, last term is a square, so we have to factorize 2a square such that their sum is minus 3a. So you can write here 2x square minus 2ax minus ax plus a square. So it is equal to limit as x tends to a in bracket 1 divided by x minus 2a into x minus a plus 1 divided by, we can take 2x common here in bracket x minus a, here take common minus a in bracket x minus a. So it is equal to limit as x tends to a 1 divided by x minus 2a into x minus a plus 1 divided by, here we can take common x minus a common, second bracket 2x minus a, and then take LCM. So it is equal to limit as x tends to a. Here LCM is, see here x minus a repeated factor, so take for once, then factor x minus 2a, and then 2x minus a, and then write numerator. We divide by the denominator to this LCM. So here x minus 2a cancel, x minus a cancel, so we get factor 2x minus a into this 1. So 2x minus a plus, here x minus a cancel, 2x minus a cancel, we get x minus 2a, x minus 2a into 1, that is x minus 2a. So it is equal to limit as x tends to a in bracket, here addition 2x plus x, 3x, minus a minus 2a minus 3a, denominator same, x minus a, x minus 2a, 2x minus a. So it is equal to limit as x tends to a, we can take 3 common here, in bracket x minus a, denominator same, x minus a into x minus 2a into 2x minus a, and we get here common factor x minus a cancel. So it is equal to limit as x tends to a, numerator 3, denominator x minus 2a into 2x minus a. Now take the limit, put x equal to a, 3 constant, divide by a minus 2a, 2a minus a. So it is equal to 3 divided by a minus 2a minus a, 2a minus a, and we get here minus sign outside, 3 divided by a into a square. So minus 3 divided by a square is the answer, or is the limit.